If you can put on a snow chain for someone, they will pay you handsomely in Swiss francs. 99% of people do not know how to do this. Imagine this is like a half moon, and we want to put the half moon behind the wheel. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to link up these two ends together at the top of the wheel. So now I've linked the two pieces together. We're just going to jig the chain around, and we're going to put the chain a little bit further back so we can clip the ends together properly. So now we've got the first two orange sections at the top. We're going to link this together. So we just clip this on here like that, and that just slides on top. And then we're going to come round and get the bottom two sections just here like this. We're going to clip them together. We're going to tighten them both. To do that, we just push the black knob down. That's kind of okay. I mean, I don't know if that's a great job, but that's like a start. Watch this video. Maybe you can save your family in a snowstorm.